Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, TradeTech Analysis. Have you ever wondered when chasing a breakout and you get trapped when price snaps back, right? So this indicator is built to stop that from happening. The PCCE plus false breakout detector is a two-in-one system. First, it spots the tight price coils. Basically, it is the calm before the storm, and then it confirms the breakout and warns you if it is a trap. So the PCCE engine detects compression zones using shrinkable candle bodies, wick to body analysis, and range contraction. When price burst out with strength and volume, you'll see a burst upside signal or a burst downside signal. But here is the edge. The built-in false breakout detector instantly flags failed moves with cross marks, so you know when to exit early or avoid the trade altogether. So right now on this BTC chart, let me explain this PCCE and false breakout detector. So this is the coil latest generated, and you can see in the chart it only shows the latest one. I didn't want to have the chart clutter, and I wanted this to be a neat and clean one. So before I explain this, let me show you how to add it. So let me remove it from here and go to indicator. If you simply type PCCE in the community, you will see it by TradeTech analysis. As you can see, it's a private indicator. It's not, basically it is a paid indicator, not a free one because of the USB. So when price here, you can see there are shrinking candles. So basically this compression zone detects these shrinking candles, wick to body analysis, and range this coil has created. This is altogether PCCE. Whenever it breaks out or break down, you will see a burst up signal or a burst down signal as well. So in these cases, if you see, there was a burst signal, but it was a false one in this contraction zone. And similar thing happened here as well, right? So that's how it is detecting such areas. You have seen it many times when price is in a range, and when it breaks out, it gets you a good move, which happened here. So if you can see in this area, price was in a tight range, right? And it get you a burst signal after that, and it was a successful one, right? This happened. So that's how this PCC indicator tells you. And you know, here what happens, like on each candle we thinks that now it's gonna break out, now it's gonna break out. So you don't need to be in fear. In such cases, indicator is gonna help you, and it will detect such areas. So right now in BTC, you can see this was created, and after that this is the burst candle, and it is still going up. So we got the signal on this candle, and obviously it is after the closing only. So when it has closed above this range, then we got a burst signal. This price 1,18,444, and now it's going up. So here, if it is a trap, it will detect it as well. So what happens is, now I just told you, right, about the PCCE. Now here comes the interesting fact. If it is a trap or any point when price can change its direction, the second term of this indicator, the second fact of this indicator is false breakout. So here we got a burst signal, and here we got a cross. This is the false breakout. In this range we got a false breakout, and price came in this range only, and after that it turned, right? So let's say, suppose if you have taken a buy entry here, so this was your exit point. If you got a buy entry here, this was your exit point. And it also means that when it is generated, majority of the time it is basically telling you that there is no potential room upside as of now. and then price can change its direction. It could be depends on the candle size. It could be 3 4 candles, 2 3 candles like this. Okay, so like this, if you see, this was a genuine burst, and then again a genuine burst. Here sell side trap that price may not go up, but it still did, right? It was a genuine move. So basically what I do in this case, I simply mark these candles. I do exit my position, but it is basically the marking if it is a genuine move. It showed it twice, but we had a breakout because on the shrinking candles, the compression zone, it could be the small one, but in the bigger picture, it was actually a burst signal. So we got a burst signal here and price went up. So that's how the false breakout detector does work, right? So let's say now on the downside, we got a burst signal here, we got another burst signal here, and here we had that it's saying that it's not gonna go up, okay? But we had a good move altogether, right? So when price is in a tight range, you will get the signal, and this was 2200 plus point move. So this that's how this indicator works. So basically, breakouts without context are pretty dangerous. This tool gives you the context about the setup, confirmation, and the trap detection as well. So it can help you trade with precision, not hope. That's what we have seen many times, especially with the uh, new traders. They try to get in the each and every trade, and they get traps. So it's like whenever they buy, price goes down. Whenever they sell, price go up. Right. So this is where it comes in the picture and gets you the confirmation on the perfect trades. So let's try some other chart. Let me try Bank Nifty. So price was going up, right? And here it showed that now it's not gonna up further, and price came down. So if you consider this is a sell signal, then on this exit it was 480 plus points, which is huge in Bank Nifty. Okay, so yeah, I mean, so what you can do is basically on 15 minute or 5 minute you can see it, and plus you can tweak its settings as well. Coil windows, how much you want, look back, tight range. I try to modify it on the best of the settings, but feel free to modify these settings based on your trading style, right? So in the last, you can see there was a compression zone, and after that we got a breakout. It was still some points move if we consider, right? 146 points, and similarly here. So you don't need to go with each and every trade. You simply can wait for the signal and exit on the these breakouts detectors as well. So that's how this indicator works. And if you want to see it in action, check out the full breakdown and chart examples in the trading view. There I tried to explain it. And with this, thank you so much, and please like and subscribe to the channel. With this, have a good day. Take care.